Okay, so here is my brand new train. This is the high overview. And then as we swoop in, you can see I got the train built. I've got some populated vegetation. I've got my new walls built, new drawbridges and so forth. I've started placing the models in there. There's the marketplace. Here's some nobles' homes. Here's the atrium. Here's the dragon church. Here's where the palace is going. And then if we switch over to first person view, and it's starting now, then you'll see I've got some grasses and flowers, and there's actually system sounds and stuff going on. And there's the dragon church and stuff. And the controller's acting a little funny right now. Let's see if I can get it over there by the nobles' houses. Okay, so there you can see where the nobles' houses are, and there's a gazebo, and there's the dragon church and stuff. And so what you can't hear because the system sounds keep crashing the recording. I've got ambient noise, I've got footsteps, I've got the water sounds, I've got breezes, wind zones and stuff set up. And so if you look real careful, you can see in the video there that trees are waving in the breeze and stuff. So things look a whole lot better and right on track. You can see the drawbridge over on the left side there. All right, thanks. Have a great one.